Tokenizing venture capital. The tagline says join the elite. What does it even mean to have moon boots?
There it is.
I guess that's what we figure out today. I'm Vosk. Let's dig into some more crazy crypto-ness. MoonBoots has made today's video possible. Join the elite, being part of Web3's premier tokenized venture capital powerhouse. They claim, contribute now, get the exposure. What the frick is a DAO though, right? Decentralized autonomous organization, basically a decentralized company. DAOs were really popular in 2020 to 2022. Some of them went on to achieve billion-dollar valuations. Some of them had weird tokenomics that led to their inevitable downfall. Cryptocurrency's been going crazy lately, right? We don't have $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin does. We've got a almost $3 trillion market cap. It's over $2 trillion. That's truly crazy. When we open up DEX tools, I mean, it's been going crazy on DEX tools. We look at daily gainers doing 100,000%. Like, what? Wow. But don't forget, some tokens are down 99%. You can only be down 99.99%. That's a bad dump. The bottom line is crypto's heating up in many ways. So what does MoonBoots DAO offer? They want you to join them on the journey, right? So this isn't financial advice. This is not an endorsement. This is what they offer. A VIP access level and a special access level. These are the associated rewards and the associated dollar amounts. You don't invest with dollars though. They invite you to get a MBDAO, MBDAO token allocation using USDT at a USDT token valuation of 10 cents per token. Special access, MB1 Genesis, network support of Ethereum, BNB, as well as Polygon. They boast a lot of partners and backers, such as Chappyz, which we'll talk more about here shortly, and the big overlap with that, Cointelegraph, Gate.io, along with Bybit and ChainGPT and some others. Their social media, their Twitter is just like go. They're partnering and linking up and trying to have overlap with so much right now. Like partnering up with Trailblaze, which I'm not familiar with, but they're a launchpad for Web3 token. Buzz is everything for them right now as they focus on their raise for their MBDAO token. They note their siblings being Chappyz as well as MoonPass and their Genesis, basically like founder style NFT drop. That's all wrapped up in this launch, right? The MB1 MoonBoots membership. You've got to have at least 5K MBDAO tokens staked, giving you access to prime venture capital deal flow and a share in the profits of the DAO. So that's like the big allure. You get into the DAO, you hope DAO does well, makes the moves, etc. They've got a Telegram group with over 7,000 members boasting that they're the elite angel club. We start digging around LinkedIn. We see one of their associated members with no picture, John Sears. He is co-founder of MoonBoots Labs. He's also a co-founder of Chappyz and MoonBoots DAO. Prior to that, being an angel investor and a consultant. Then there's Daniel Powell, co-founder of MoonBoots Labs, as well as MoonBoots DAO, and founder and CEO of Chappyz, which is focused on engaging to earn. A gamified token mechanic to basically turn your time into tokens, right? Sean W. is associated as well, also on Chappyz, also on MoonBoots. And apparently Frank Hanford, per LinkedIn, has association here as well. Chappyz has been getting some buzz. They've been sponsoring some content as well. They linked up with Chico Crypto, and he is highlighting their airdrop. Basically, you buy their token, you stake it, you sign up, you use it, you get some chaps. They also sponsored an article on Cointelegraph where it highlights what they are, an artificial intelligence powered social-fi marketplace. And trust me, you are going to continue to see so much about AI moving forward. If we look at Chappyz and their Chappyz token. So far, it's a $10 million market cap coin. It's doing about $600,000 in daily trading volume. It's up 28% over the last 30 days, but down 10% in the last 14. This is a token on the BNB smart chain, which means, as you would expect, it's a leading cryptocurrency exchange. It is going to be, in my opinion, PancakeSwap, because it's decentralized. You can do it right from your MetaMask or whatever wallet, but they're doing the most volume on XT, not an exchange I personally use. Tokens and raises are always crazy and fun and engaging and a key piece of every cryptocurrency cycle, at least especially since the ICO boom on Ethereum in 2017. But I mean, it has really been brought to the forefront with cheaper transaction fees like Solana. Whether you love or hate the chain, it's way cheaper to use than Ethereum, at least when it's online. The meme coin mania on Solana has been nuts. A lot of people, like you look at this article, are looking at Coinbase's base to be one of the next havens for just, you know, crazy token launches and meme coins and so forth. Like more than 1,000 meme coin pairings were created just this week, but a lot of these are pump and dumps or Ponzi's, right? I mean, for every meme coin that is the next dog with hat, there's 1,000 others that aren't. Everybody wants the big winner, but it's difficult. Airdrops have been going crazy. If you pretty much did anything on Solana, you probably got the Jupiter airdrop, and somehow they have amassed a $2 billion market cap. I appreciated it. It was a several $100 cryptocurrency airdrop for me. Miners are going crazy. We got more news on the AL box. It's a little miner, doesn't use much electricity, but if they only made a couple of them, they would be making like $100 a day, which is why, you know, the early price projections on these $9,000, like you can see here from ASIC Marketplace. So just all that's absolutely crazy. But, you know, my point here is that things are heating up, things are going crazy, it's getting bullish, right? So we bring it back to MoonBoots DAO. I do think there's opportunities flying around left and right. I would love to hear more about the team, right? When I look at this website, I want to hear about the team, because ideas, whatever, are great. But at the end of the day, when I invest in cryptocurrencies, right, I'm investing in the team. And I really want a clear breakdown, right, of the tokenomics. When you go to contribute, the ETH chain wasn't working for me, but BNB chain was. I was hoping to kind of get more information or terms or anything here, right? But it just quickly prompts you to throw 500 USDT at it. At least BNB chain continues to be incredibly cheaper to use than Ethereum. I did some Ethereum trades earlier. It was like 20 bucks a pop. That's crazy. You know, they make it really easy to throw some coins at this, but there's just not enough information here. For example, they've apparently invested in 15 projects, right? And more than $300,000 in fees have been collected. Their whole pitch is like they take their winnings and then they buy back and burn their tokens from this. So this leads to over $10 million in token buybacks. With the MB DAO token set to launch in late April, that exposure becomes possible, right? And it's clearly a whale-favored environment, right? Like if you've got 100,000 MB DAO tokens and also what they call a golden grenade pass, you get access to invest in apparently high-quality projects, meet experts, and exchange valuable information. So it's kind of like a buy into a potential whale investing club. And if you don't know, those things absolutely do exist. So I guess my biggest takeaway is just there is not enough information for me. Is this enough information for you? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel where we keep it real. This is 10 Seconds to Tell's our CRO, our Chief Real Officer. Yeah, she's got a lot of C titles because she's pretty freaking awesome. And so are you, only if you subscribe.